Good morning, students. How are nutrients replenished in the soil? Plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil, and therefore the amount of minerals in the soil keeps on declining. So these nutrients need to be added back to the soil to enrich it. See, plants need nutrients to grow. And where do they obtain these nutrients? From soil. So once the plants absorb the minerals from the soil, then soil will lose all the minerals if plants go on taking in the nutrients or the minerals. So how can we put back those nutrients into the soil? By these three methods. One is by means of decomposers, second fertilizers, or by growing leguminous crops. Decomposers we very well know, example is bacteria and fungi. These fungi release enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes help in the breakdown of substances. So this bacteria and fungi release enzymes, and these enzymes release nutrient trapped in the dead bodies and waste matter. Now once enzymes are released, they break down the dead and decaying matter. And once it is broken down, nutrients are returned back to the soil. See, some amount of nutrients is taken by bacteria and fungi. The rest it is given back to the soil. Fertilizers. We know fertilizers are generally rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Crops require a lot of nitrogen to make proteins. After a harvest, the soil becomes deficient in nitrogen. See, after harvesting, what happens is the crops would have taken in all the nutrients. So, to enrich the soil, we add the fertilizer, and the fertilizers are rich in NPK. Growing leguminous crops. Now, symbiotic relationship between legumes and nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium is very beneficial for farmers. Now, if you grow leguminous crops, what happens is the rhizobium bacteria which is present in the soil and slowly it enters the roots of the leguminous crops, and because of which it is helping in fixing nitrogen. So thereby it is enriching the soil. So we see that this is how even leguminous crops is bringing about the enrichment of the nutrient in the soil. Thank you.